Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this high-end office chair that this brand sent to me for this video, which I guarantee that you're not going to be disappointed. This is a very high-end chair. This is more for productivity, but also style. It's comfort, but also style, and of course, something that is going to be really comfortable. I have to say that this chair gives you a really nice 90-degree sitting position, but it also comes with some really good features that is going to allow you to chill and relax. So it's a mix in between home office, productivity, style, and some gaming if you also want. Some of the features I really like about the chair, it's how it looks. It looks just fantastic. You can see how nice this one looks, but it comes again with really good features. For example, this breathable headrest right here. By the way, let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, this really nice and breathable because it's a nice breathable headrest that, as you can see, you can actually change the height. I'm 5'10", I weigh 180 pounds, and you can see that at max height, I still have room to put my head in, and I think it is really comfy. Another good thing, it comes with a dedicated lumbar support right here that's gonna give you that kind of like really nice sitting position. And it's a super nice, soft leather feel, really soft leather feel. If you have cats, make sure that they're not allowed to actually scratch this one because it's a really soft leather. Padded right here on the armrest and a beautiful soft cushion right here, which is more than a high foam density cushion. Let me show you some of the really good features of this chair. So pay attention because this is well packed. First of all, it comes with a nice dedicated leg rest, which you can see that it actually extends really nice, but it's more like a leg rest than a footrest. And it's just fantastic, super comfortable, no restraint at all, kind of like doesn't give you that feel of a soft cushion more than a firm thing, because you can actually do this as well, because it's gonna actually kind of like withstand that weight. And by the way, it supports 400 pounds, so that is a really good chunk of weight. We're gonna put this one back, and let me show you this. Comes with two things. Kind of like a lever right here for managing the height of the chair. Also a lever right here for the dedicated lumbar support. And two things that are my favorite. Number one, this right here, now it's unlocked, perfect recliner. This is a fantastic recliner, I have to say, that is giving a really nice support right here on the lower side of my back. So that is fantastic support. But also, check this out. I'm gonna lock it back again. And this right here, it's one of the best things. If you want, you can sit closer to the lumbar support. If you wanna relax, you kind of like do this lever right here. And check this out. You can actually move the seat forward if you want to relax a little bit more, or you can press it again and go back and go against the lumbar support to have that really nice 90 degrees position. I have to say, this is a high-end chair that meets all expectations, really good features, extra comfortable, and even looks fantastic. Dressing style, comfort, and also productivity.